Hi, I am Charles. This video will talk about insert if formula. Let's get started. For this scenario, I have created a range name TA_America for cell G9, and another range name TB_America for cell I9. First, click on a cell. Then click on the Formulas tab. Next, click on Logical. A drop-down menu will appear. Click to select if. The function arguments pop-up window will appear. Type the test in the logical test box. For this scenario, the logical test is TA_America more than TB_America. Type the value for incident that met the logical test. For this scenario, I will type the word surplus. For text, remember to enclose a pair of quotation mark before and after the text. Next, type the value for incident that failed the logical test. For this scenario, I will type the word deficit. Again, remember to enclose a pair of quotation mark before and after the text. Then click OK. Now, this is the final formula, and the value or result will automatically display in the cell. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoy this video and have learned something today. Thanks for watching.